in the given figure, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See here देखिए, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If triangles are similar, then the sides are like proportional. So if you see the diagram and if you write sides proportional, you may get confused. So here you see like AB by PQ, BC by QR. So here BC and here QR, and AC by PR. So sides are proportional because the triangles are similar. Now if you substitute the values, AB is 6, PQ 4.5, BC 4 centimeters, and QR is X. So if you equate, now one side, what is AC? AC is 5 and PR is 3.75. See, if you equate these two, you'll get the value of X, or you can equate these two also. So I'll take the first two. 6 by 4.5 equals 4 by X. So if you cross multiply, 6 times X is 4 times 4.5. So 6X equals 4.5 into 4 is 18. So X equals 18 by 6. So X equals 3. So X equals 3 centimeters. So the correct option is D. In the given figure, DE is parallel to AC. Which of the following is true? See, DE is parallel to AC. Here the options are like in terms of A, B, X and Y. In a triangle, if a line is parallel, DE, then we'll get an idea of like BPT. BPT is like AD by DB equals AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to A by EC if it is parallel. But see, when they'll ask about DE and BC, when they'll ask about these two sides, then BPT is not going to help us, because here in BPT we will not discuss about DE side and BC sides. Just we'll say it's a parallel, then it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So when they'll ask the problem based on like this side, DE and AC, my advice is take this top triangle and the bottom triangle, this big small triangle and big triangle. Both the triangles you prove similar. So take first triangle BDE and triangle BAC. Now see, in both the triangles, angle B is common. Angle B is common angle. Next, as these two lines are parallel, then this angle and this angle will be equal because corresponding. Angle BDE equals angle BAC. Reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now see, two triangles are similar. Triangle BDE is similar to triangle BAC, and the reason is angle corollary. Angle corollary. If two triangles are similar, now right sides proportional. Now see, don't see the diagram, you can see here and you can write BD by BA, DE by AC, BE by BC. Now substitute the values. BD, it is A. BA, total value. So total value will be like A plus B. A plus B. DE is X and AC is Y. You don't have this value, so you can skip this. Now see, in options you check X by Y is A by A plus B. X by Y is, this is not the option. So cross multiply this by AY by A plus B equals X. So X value is AY by A plus B. So the correct option is C. In figure, if AD by DB equals AE by EC equals 2. So here they give AD by DB equals AE by EC equals 2, or you can write 2 by 1. See that like AD by DB equals AE by EC. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Reason is converse of BPT. Because if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. Okay. Now, area of triangle ABC, the big triangle is 36, and they're asking the area of quadrilateral BCED. They are asking the area of quadrilateral. So my advice is, you see big triangle area you have. From that big triangle area, if you subtract the area of triangle ADE, you will be left with area of quadrilateral BCED. So for that, we need to find ADE triangle area of triangle ADE. So this small triangle and this big triangle, first you prove similar, then you can apply areas theorem. Okay. Now see, triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Angle A is common. Angle A is like common angle. And angle ADE equals ABC, because just now we proved here parallel. So as the two lines are parallel, corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, corresponding angle. So two triangles are now similar. ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Angle correlate. Now, as these two triangles are similar, now apply areas theorem. Areas theorem is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides. So here if we'll take AD, here AB. AD by AB whole square. So now see here, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC is given, that is 36. 36 equals AD, here again, AD is 2 and DB, ratio is 2:1, so I'll take DB is 1. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, this is 1, so total will become like 3. So I can use 2 by 3 or 2x by 3x whole square, x anyhow cancel. So area of triangle ADE by 36 is 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Now see next step here. Area of triangle ADE is 4 by 9 times 36. 9 times 1, 9 times 4. So area of triangle ADE, 4 times 4, 16. But they are asking the area of quadrilateral BCED. Now see, area of triangle ABC, the big one, area of triangle ABC is area of triangle ADE plus area of quadrilateral BCED. Area of triangle ABC is 36. So area of triangle ADE, just now I got 16. So area of quadrilateral BCED. So 36, if we'll transpose 16 minus 16, area of quadrilateral BCED, which is nothing but 20. Area of quadrilateral BCED is 20 centimeters square. So the correct option is D.